Good day everyone, I am Martin D. Mariano from BDaily IA3. So ngayon, ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo ang ignition system. So, battery and ignition switch. Ito yung battery natin and then ito yung ignition switch natin. Pag once na nag-open ang ignition switch natin, ang current flow from the battery is to the ignition coil. Ito yung nagsimula dito sa ating battery, punta dito sa ating ignition switch na nalagay siyang ignition coil. And then our ignition coil, primary winding contact breaker. Current flow through the primary winding of the ignition coil, where one end connected to the contact breaker, which is ito yung tinatawag natin na ignition coil and the primary winding. Ito yung tinatawag natin na contact breaker. Ito po, yung color red. I-consider absorb the back EMF. Ito po yun. I-consider absorb the back EMF from the magnetic field, thereby increase by life of contact points by reducing during of the points. When the com lock, ito po yung com lock na sinabi ko, ito po yung bilog na may box. Push CB switch, the contact breaker points open, which cause the current from primary circuit to break. And for our secondary winding and primary winding, ito po yung tinatawag natin na secondary winding, which is the color blue, and for our primary winding, which is the color orange. Kahit ano po yung dyan, ito po yung tinatawag na secondary winding, and for our primary winding is color orange. Due to a break in current, an EMF is included in the secondary winding having more number of turns than primary, which increase the battery's 12 volts to 22,000 volts na nagmula dito sa battery ng 12 volts na, and then pumunta siya dito sa ating distributor, naging siyang 22,000 volts. The high voltage produced by the secondary winding and then transferred to the distributor. And for our distributor and rotor, ito yung rotor natin. Ito yung umiikot dito. And for our distributor, ito yung bilog mismo. A rotor inside the distributor rotates according to ignition timing, which is this. Ito yung color red na ignition timing. Kapag ito, once na pumasok dito sa ating rotor, ito yung nag-rotate. Rotate siya ng rotate papunta dito sa ating mga ignition wire. When the rotor comes exactly in front of distributor points, the voltage jumps due to the air gaps from the rotor to the points. High voltage is then transferred from the distributor to the spark plug terminal via a high tension cable A. Voltage difference is the generated between the central electrode and ground electrode. The ignition wire and the spark plug, which is ito yung ignition wire natin. Ito yung papunta dito sa ating distributor. Itong color blue. And for our spark plug, itong apat na ito. Groove electrode, central electrode, and insulator. The voltage contains transferred through the central electrode, which is the scale using insulator. Gas ionization. When the voltage increases, the electrical strength of the gas between these electrodes, the gases are ionized. Due to the ionization, gas become considered and allow the current to flow through the gap and spark in finally produced, which is yung habang umiikot itong rotor natin, pag once na natapat dito sa ating ignition wire, nagiging red siya, which is papunta dito sa ating spark plug. Pag once na naging red ito, papunta dito sa ating spark plug, dito sa ating dulo ng spark plug natin, which is this, dito lumalabas yung spark. Dito na lumalabas yung spark at patuloy siyang nag-rotate. Ito yung pagkakaintindi ko po for our ignition system. Thank you for listening and have a good day.